I'm Deborah, I'm here with Mauricia. Mauricia, as someone who's renting a property, my question is, what about early cancellation? Maybe I lose my job, a parent dies, I have to leave the country, now I have to do an early cancellation. What kind of penalties am I going to pay?
So we did have a lot of that during COVID times, and of course people's circumstances change. So the first thing is try and sign your lease for the duration that you think you can live up to, because it is a contract. So yes, early cancellation can be done. You are entitled if your life changes, but there may be penalties. So the first thing to do is to be as straightforward with your landlord and with your agent as possible, and to discuss with them, tell them upfront, and help them in any way possible to find the replacement tenant. And the second thing to be aware of is some penalties will be incurred if the landlord can't find a replacement tenant immediately.